What is up, Spies-nators? I'm your host, Nathan Spies, and welcome to episode 4 of Quarantined with Nathan. Okay, so this is a very special episode, and I'm super excited about this one. Why? Because it involves everybody's favorite part of this channel, puppets. But the reason this video is special, and it involves puppets, is because I'm going to be building a puppet right in front of you. Now, I'm not going to show the whole thing because it takes several hours to make it, but I'll show you highlights. But first of all, I want to show you what puppet we're making. This guy, Corey Teen, because it's a pun on quarantine. And as you can see, he's kind of like a Oscar the Grouch type character. So yeah, that's what we're going to be making. And I will mainly be using these puppet patterns that I got off of Adam Krutinger's website. I will leave a link in the description to where you can download the patterns as well as the video series that he made of him building puppets, because they're a lot more informative than my videos are. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. So what you'll want to do is you'll need to have all your materials ready. You'll need foam, fabric, stuffing, cardboard, plastic or paper, duct tape, hot glue, scissors, markers, and a plethora of other things. Okay, so now we're actually going to get started. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to take the, where is it? Hang on. Here it is. This is the mouthpiece that I got off of Adam Krutinger's website. You can easily download these. You don't have to pay money for these. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to trace this onto foam 2 times, like what I did right here. So as you can see, you have the left side and the right side. What you'll do is you'll cut these out, and you'll either use contact cement or hot glue. I'm using hot glue because that's what I normally do. And yeah. Then what you'll do is you'll glue them together, and you'll pretty much have the head. So hang on a second. Alright, so now I'm back. I have them all cut out. And now we're going to glue them. So, time-lapse time. Get out of here. Oh. So this is what he actually looks like now. I glued everything together. And as you can see, it forms a puppet head. I also added a little bit of duct tape on the bottom just to help support it. So yeah. We're getting there. So now what you want to do is you want to get your mouth plate, which I have some. Here it is. This piece right there. This will be the main mouthpiece that will go here. So you'll want to trace this out onto some cardboard or some plastic. I would recommend plastic, not cardboard, because it's a lot stronger, but for this video we're using cardboard. And we will put it here and here. Sounds good. Let's do it. And there you have your puppet head. Well, the start of your puppet head, to be exact. So what I did was I glued the mouth plate in. So I cut it out using the pattern piece. And then I glued it inside and put duct tape all over it to help reinforce it so that it won't fall off. And I also added a little bit inside so that I could work it easily. Man, it's already getting hot in here. Not in here, but the puppet itself. So anyway, I think what we're getting ready to do now is we might start working on the fabric. So yeah, let's do it. So you'll need the fabric template. This is for the mouth, and this one is the one for the actual head. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna trace this onto some fabric. I'm gonna be using blue fabric because it matches the original drawing. And yeah, so I'll be back once I put the fabric on, or once I cut out the fabric, and then I'll glue it on. Alright, so I cut out the fabric piece, and this is what it looks like on the mouth. He kind of looks like a clown right now, but once we add this fabric on here, or this on here, it'll look a lot better. Yeah, don't judge me yet. I'm not finished yet. Okay? Okay guys, are you ready to see him? This is what I look like now. Yeah, I look like this. So what I did was I covered him all with blue fabric. You can see a little bit of seams, but once we add details, which we'll do later, they won't be as noticeable. But what we're going to do now is we're going to use the neck. Excuse me. We're going to use the neck piece right here, and we're going to make a neck for him. So yeah, I'll have to cut this piece out 2 times, and or actually, hang on. There's another picture. Here it is. See, that's what it's supposed to look like. We'll have one on this side, one on that side. Alright, so hang on a second. Alright, so I got the neck. I also have this cardboard tube that I'm gonna use to support the head while I work on the next part, which is the body, aka the biggest part of this puppet. It's so big you had to print out 2 pieces and tape them together because the body is so big. So, yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do right now, so hang on a second. Alright, so, this is what the body looks like. I cut it out, I glued it together. It's basically just the same process as the head, just with the body. And I cut out a section, because that's where my hand is going to go. So if we take the head, and we stick it in the body, should look kind of like that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put fabric all over the body, and we'll also attach the head. So hang on a second. Here he is. I connected the head to the body. The body is now covered in fabric, and now it works perfectly. Yeah, I kind of like this. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to add details. So I'm going to add hair, I'm going to make some eyes, I'm going to make a nose using the nose template, and we'll also add a tongue and some ears and some other details, and yeah. I still don't know what we're going to do, but I'm just going to base it off the original design. So let's put a face on him. Hang on a second. Alright guys, are you ready to see what he looks like? You can already see his hair. What's up, y'all? That's what he looks like. What I look like. So his nose is just foam. This is cardstock on his eyes. His hair is just fabric. He's got a nose ring. He's got a booger. He's got a tongue and a uvula. He's got ears. I'm pretty much complete. No, you're not. Oh. So what we're going to do next is we're going to make his clothes. And we're also going to do his arms and his hands. Now I'm going to keep this one a little bit short because, you know, I don't want this video to be too long and I want you all to see the final puppet. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to explain how I'm going to do everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pattern that I used for the body right here, and just trace it onto a different type of fabric. And then I'm gonna like chop it up, make it look a little weird, because you know, he doesn't have the cleanest clothes. And then, you know, we'll glue it together, and then we'll chop it up some more, and that'll be a shirt. And then for his arms, we'll just take some foam, and we'll make his arms, and then his hands will be gloves. So you will see that later. I'll take 2 pieces of fabric, glue them together, and then stick my hand, and then we'll glue it onto the arm, and then he'll be done. Did you get that? Okay. Hang on a second. Okay. It is now day 2. Yeah, day 2. These puppets, you don't spend 5 minutes on these, alright? Some of these take multiple days. Some of them even take weeks. But as of now, I gave him a shirt. It's all ripped up and torn because he's been stuck in quarantine and he's going insane. So his clothes are all ripped up and shredded, and like there's a big chunk out of the back. So yeah, that's what we have right now. And then we're going to come back. I'm going to do the arms and the hands, and then we're done. So hang on a second. Alright everybody, it's time to see the moment that everybody's been waiting for. I'm going to debut the finished Corey Teen puppet. Here he is.
Hey everybody, how you doing?
Yep, this is Corey Teen, the one and only. Yeah, I'm still kind of working on the voice a little bit. Yeah, but I'm sure you might have a voice like this. Yeah. So, yeah, this is what he looks like. Big, blue puppet who's been in quarantine all his life. So, you want to do the honor?
Sure, I'll do the honor.
Okay.
If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching our channel. Stay tuned for the next episode, which will be the grand finale of Quarantined with Nathan.
So yeah, goodbye everyone.